Good morning everyone. In this video lecture, we will solve the problem on the variable acceleration, which is the part of kinematics of particle. So in the variable acceleration, we need to remember three basic formulae. The first is velocity v, this is equal to dx by dt, or v equal to ds by dt. Okay, so here x, it is the position and s is the displacement. Okay, so either we can use v equal to dx by dt or v equal to ds by dt. Okay, second formula, this is for acceleration, a equal to, it is dv upon dt, so this is the derivative of the velocity. And the third formula, it is again for the acceleration, a equal to v into dv upon dx. Okay, so all the calculation of variable acceleration, it is purely depending on this v equal to dx by dt, a equal to dv by dt, and a equal to v into dv by dx. Okay, so let us see very basic problem on the variable acceleration. Suppose the position of the particle x, this is given as 3t square plus 5t plus 6. So this is the given equation, and the question is find the velocity and the acceleration at time t equal to 2 seconds. So this is the question, means we have to find out the velocity and acceleration at t equal to 2 seconds. Okay, so always we should remember, if x is given, which is a function of time, and from the x, if we want to find out velocity, then just take the derivative, so d by dt of x, so dx by dt. From the velocity, if you want to find out acceleration, just take the derivative dv by dt. Okay, so from x we can find out v, from v we can find out a, just we have to take the derivative, so it is a d by dt. Okay, and suppose acceleration is given, from the acceleration if you want to find out velocity, then we have to integrate the equation. From velocity, if you want to find out the position, then we have to integrate the velocity. Okay, now here x is given, so in this solution just write given value or given equation, x equal to 3t square plus 5t plus 6. Now write the velocity v equal to, it is a derivative dx by dt, so we can write here d by dt, x means given equation, so it is 3t square plus 5t plus 6. Now just differentiate this equation, 3t square will be 6t plus 5t, differentiation or derivative is 5. So this is the equation for velocity, which is 6t plus 5. Okay, so you can consider as a equation A. We need acceleration, so from the velocity we can find out acceleration a equal to, so this is dv upon dt, means take the derivative of velocity, so this is equal to d by dt, velocity is 6t plus 5. Okay, so 6t will be 6, derivative of 5, it is 0. So here acceleration, it is a constant. The meaning of constant is there is no time term in the equation of acceleration, so this is your equation B. Okay, now we got the equation for velocity, equation for acceleration. We need the exact answer at t equal to 2 seconds, so right here at t equal to 2 seconds, just put the value of 2 seconds in the equation of velocity, so v at t equal to 2, this is equal to 6 time is 2 plus 5, so 6 into 2 12 plus 5, so this is 17. So velocity is 17, unit is meter per second, and the acceleration at t equal to 2 second, this is equal to, acceleration is constant, so it is 6 meter per second square. Okay, so this is very basic problem on the variable acceleration where x is given. From the x we find out the velocity, so it is a dx by dt, and from the velocity we find out the acceleration, so it is dv by dt.